Hi everyone, this is Macy from the ITR Tech Support team, and today I would like to show you how you can join the groups for AA or NA on ITR. This is very simple. It's when we're here on the home page. You have to go to the top and click on groups. Click once, and then you have a search bar here. So here we're going to search for the AA group first, and this is Global Steps AA. Global Steps AA. Click search. And here we have two groups. Obviously, we're not wanting the chairperson group because I'm not a chairperson for AA. We take the Global Steps AA business group and click there. Okay, so now you don't see much. You see the description and the details for the group, and here you have a link where you can join the group. We click there, and then it's a request sent to the administrator, so they will review who is joining the group, and then soon they will let me into the group, so you can, once you're in the group, you can see the discussion list and so on. And that actually is everything for AA. Now we go back to the groups page by clicking on groups. In the search bar, if you want to join the NA group, it is NA Live. Click search. Oops. Here it is. That's the group. And since I'm already a member in that group, you can see the discussion board. You can invite friends to join, or there's the option to leave the group. So this concludes the tutorial on how to search for groups on ITR.